Hi, this is Thomas from FESTFLOOR. In today's video, I'll show you our latest product, PU Fest2 K-Carbon Sealer. It's a two-component water-based polyurethane sealer based on modern polycarbonate technology, which guarantees excellent stain resistance and outstanding scratch resistance. Let's go. PU Fest2 K-Carbon is a two-component polyurethane sealer combining easy application with the highest durability. It's the first sealer created specifically with microcement in mind. It's not a copy of a parquet or concrete sealer. From the very beginning to the end, we focused on how to protect microcement and give it the highest possible durability. Here we used polycarbonate carbon technology, which creates a dense, hard and compact structure, and it is precisely this structure that makes the surface smooth, scratch resistant and resistant to staining. Additionally, this sealer is perfectly resistant to UV radiation. It doesn't lose its color, doesn't yellow and doesn't turn dull even in sunny areas and for a very long time. And in practice, wine, coffee or oil, substances like these don't leave any trace on this sealer. Additionally, we compared our PU Fest2 K-Carbon sealer with other sealers available on the market in terms of abrasion and scratch resistance. And PU Fest 2000 Carbon performs 5 to 10 times better than other products currently on sale. PU Fest2 K-Carbon is available in two package sizes, 5 kilograms and 400 grams or 1 kilogram and 80 grams. The mixing ratio of component A to B is 13:1. In addition, the sealer is available in two optical finishes, deep matte and a subtle haptic satin, allowing you to choose the look that best suits your interior. Personally, I'm a fan of the satin sealer, where the haptic feel when I walk on it and touch it is definitely the best and most pleasant, so I highly recommend it. If you'd like to have that velvety smoothness and refined comfort under your feet, the satin sealer is definitely the best choice for you. And now I'll show you how to prepare PU Fest2 K-Carbon sealer. For sealing, we'll need a roller and a roller handle. If we need to prepare a smaller amount, we'll need a scale and a bucket in which we can weigh everything out. PU Fest2 K-Carbon sealer is supplied in two packaging sizes. Here I have component A, which we can gently mix. Give it a shake before pouring it into another container. Here I'll prepare a smaller amount, for example, for the purposes of this demonstration. And we also have component B, which comes in this small bottle. Notice that it is definitely much thicker than component A. Take a look. So you'll need to wait a moment for it to pour out. We recommend mixing the entire contents with a mixer attached to a drill because component B is very thick. And if we were to mix it by hand, it's likely that small lumps could remain, so we'll mix it with a power drill instead. We mix for about 1-2 minutes. Then leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes so the sealer can deaerate a bit, and then we can start sealing. Thank you for watching today's presentation about the PU Fest2 K-Carbon sealer. It's a state-of-the-art product, thanks to which your microcement surface will be superbly protected for a very long time. Let us know in the comments how the sealing process went, what your impressions are, what the overall feel is like, and how the product performs in everyday use. And that's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. Bye.